really like about Cryptium is while anybody can participate with Cryptium, it was designed specifically with the intent of small, medium-sized enterprises, so SMEs, to be able to participate safely, but also profitably within the crypto markets, right? So from my perspective, SMEs can actually leverage Cryptium to be able to enhance and augment their existing cash flow, but also to provide a safe and accessible and profitable store for their capital reserves. And so very succinctly, I think that really is the purpose of Cryptium, is again, that very specific target of SMEs, and to help them improve their cash flow and have a place where they can, again, safely invest their capital reserves.